Alright everybody, give me a second. Are we live? Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Alright, yes, YouTube, everybody's a millionaire on YouTube, everybody's rich on YouTube, everybody's successful on YouTube, right? Don't fall prey to those guys, everybody. Alright. Hello Alexander, how are you? Alright, so we're on, right? And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101. Never forget, everybody, our goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader, potentially in 3 years on average, in an institutional way. What does this mean? You are first an analyst, then you become a trader. And as always, everybody, if you want the free manual, doesn't cost you a cent, please send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. And if you want a little bit of, whoops, I didn't even open it. If you want the little book of trading secrets, everybody, with this beautiful guy, visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. And the ebook, it's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. Alright, everybody, never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Everybody, are you building your Fibonaccis? Everybody, are you building your Fibonaccis on the chart? The Fibonacci traders, if you want to trade the Fibonaccis. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. Boss, I don't have a strategy. Don't worry, I'm going to help you build one, alright? And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Please disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And today we have, before we go to the Forex trading week, where we're going to trade the live market, everybody, we have rules for trading the 3 Fibonacci's part 1. Hedge fund trade, Alexander, please type in the chat a currency pair, everybody. So we are going to enter trades today based on this picture. First comes, first is served, everybody. Okay. Day 2, please type in the chat a currency pair. Remember, it cannot be AUD-NZD, it cannot be Euro-GBP, it cannot be USD-CAD, and it cannot be USD-CHF. Why not? Because Fibonacci doesn't work on those pairs, because those pairs are in consolidation. But otherwise, everybody, first comes, first is served. Okay, everybody. And remember, we have classes this week, next week, and then we go on vacation. AUD-USD, alright. Everybody, let's open AUD-USD. Let's open AUD system trading, AUD-USD. Boss, when is going to be your next course? We have the crypto course end of January. Then we have learn how to hedge as a pro in February. And then we have the Fibonacci mastery in March. If you want to write down, everybody. Here is the Douglas pen. The Douglas pen. Hello, Clara, how are you? Crypto course. Learn how to hedge. Learn how to hedge. It's the most difficult in terms of you understanding and the transfer of knowledge, everybody. And then the Fibonacci mastery again. I'm not sure if I said hello, Clara. Okay, everybody, now let's open AUD-USD monthly chart first. Okay, Tell me, everybody, based on what you see right now, which Fibonacci is stronger? Is the original Fibonacci stronger, meaning the market is going about in the way of the Fibonacci? And I'm going to rephrase the question, which Fibonacci is winning so far? Is the original Fibonacci winning, everybody? And Fibonacci are barking, something's happening with Bitcoin. Is the original Fibonacci winning, everybody? ABC. I'm going to check Bitcoin in a second, everybody. Give me a sec. ABC is the contrarian Fibonacci winning. It is going to be a little bit smaller, right? It's going to be the sub A, and up in here is going to be the sub B. Or is the confirmation Fibonacci winning, which is the, you can name it sub A or 1, 2, 3. So sub A, you know, and sub B. Okay, everybody, which one is winning so far? And I'm sorry, I have freaking propagandas here. And I'm not sure why. Give me a second, everybody. I don't get YouTube anymore, but still, again, you see it's becoming like tell it's just propaganda, you know, and they wanted to pay for not to have the propagandas. Okay, everybody, back to class. Which one? You are on AUD USD monthly chart. Which Fibonacci is winning right now? How would you trade if you would enter the market trading the daily chart or the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Which one would you choose? The capital ABCD? Would you trade the big one? So the stop loss must go above the capital A. Would you trade the sub and the stop loss must go above the sub A? Or would you buy the market and the stop loss goes below the contrarian? Clara says original. Date says, boss, I was out of my best friend's wedding for almost 2 weeks. I will cope up. Alright, very good. I'm jealous, Date. I would like to be out of, I would like to be on vacation for 2 weeks too, you know. Happy for you, but I'm jealous. Alright, everybody? So, price action, the market making higher highs, higher lows, relevant ones, or market making lower lows, lower highs, relevant ones. The price action is telling you who is winning at the moment. Alright, everybody? So this market was talking about AUD USD. If we can chart some trend lines, you know, this market was, it still is in an uptrend, okay, and talking about relevant highs and lows, right? On the monthly, high to low, low to high, high to low. Okay, everybody? Some of you still have issues about relevant highs and lows, and then this market was kind of in consolidation too, right? Okay, everybody? So in here, if you use the Fibonacci's on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, in here you would lose on the Fibonacci's constantly. Alright? Pen and paper. Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. Make sense? We've learned all of this. You have enough Fibonacci, everybody. You have enough Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart. You know, that's the market. You have enough Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart. And you enter here, just an example. and you enter here, you know, and you lose, and then you, as a good student of mine, you reverse the Fibonacci and you win one, but on the second one you lose again. All right, everybody? And then you, as a good student of mine, you reverse the Fibonacci for the third time. All right? And you lose again. There is a 90% chance that this market is in consolidation. When you lose the second time, there is a 50% chance that the market is in consolidation. When you lose for the third time, there is a 90% chance that the market is in consolidation. Okay, this is worth writing down, everybody, the Fibonacci traders. You bought and you lost, you've sold, you lost, you bought. So those are sequences, you know, it's one after another. You can see it on the chart, right? You won one Fibonacci, everybody, but then you lost the next one, and then you went in the other direction. You won one and you lost the next one. There is a 90% chance that this market is in consolidation. All right, everybody? So all the rules apply to all Fibonaccis and on all time frames. Every Fibonacci can have the Contoreno Fibonacci and the Fibonacci the confirmation. When comparing the larger time frame and the smaller time frame, it's possible that the Contrarian Fibonacci on the larger time frame is the original and or the Fibonacci the confirmation, the smaller time frame. In other words, the retracement of one could be the extension of the other. Now, AUD/USD, this is now the weekly chart, and let's do the Fibonacci the confirmation. We have the, and I'm maybe mistaken. Give me a second, everybody. I need to double check. I need to double check the lows. You know, it would be too much, you know, I mean, give me a second. It would be too easy. 762178. So this is, oh, the low 7621, and this low is 76211, 76213, 76213. So this is okay, so this was correct, everybody. The first confirmation Fibonacci is here, and it didn't hit the blue. It didn't hit the blue, so green goes to green. The second Fibonacci the confirmation, green goes to green, is this one. Alright. The third Fibonacci the confirmation, green goes to green still. Green goes to green, would be this one, and I believe that's it, right? Okay. Can you see, everybody? So this is the Fibonacci the confirmation, and then the market went into consolidation mode, right? Give me a second. Boss, how you make money when the market gets into consolidation? What question is this one? Boss, how you make money when the market gets into consolidation? You trade consolidation. Without the Fibonacci, fair enough. You know, buy the lower band, short the upper band, buy the lower band, short the upper band. Sometimes the market plays around with us, right? Okay, everybody? So we are still here now. Okay. Yes, we don't know what is going to happen. Okay, now let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you are thinking to buy consolidation right now? How many of you are thinking to short consolidation right now? Let's make a poll. Based on what you see, you are the analyst, I'm the trader, tell me what to do. Hedge fund trader Alexander, hedge fund trader Date, hedge fund trader Clara. Should we sell, consolidate, I'm going to rephrase. Should we sell the confirmation Fibonacci or should we buy consolidation? What should we do? And there is no right or wrong on trading. What should we do? Boss, until when? Until December 20th, everybody. And we're going to be back January 13, if I'm not mistaken. Everybody, give me a second. F11. We're going to be back. We're going to be back January 13. January 13, we're back with classes. Alright, everybody. Yes, that's the system from the system course. Okay, everybody, that's the system from the system course. Yes, I give you my system, don't worry. No, the strategy is not the system, don't confuse the two. A strategy is a strategy, a system is those two are not the same. Alexander says, Fibonacci is stronger, I would sell the Fibonacci. Okay. There is no right or wrong. Everybody, now listen up, listen up, listen up. Let me, what you must understand. So everybody, do we agree that the market made a lower low? Alexander, if you want to learn how to make some money, do we agree that the market made a lower low? Everybody participate in the conversation. We don't bite. I'm a nice guy. Come on, you know. I'm a nice guy. Douglas would say no, he's not. Douglas would say no, he's not a nice guy. But anyway, did the market made a lower low? Type in the chat, everybody. Yes, the Dukascope Academy YouTube students, type in the chat, yes, the market made a lower low, or type in the chat, no, the market didn't make a lower low. Okay, so market wave theory, you know, when the market makes a higher high like this one, or when the market makes a lower low like this one, what is going to happen next? Let me see if you've learned anything in the last 12 months. Yes, it did make a lower low. Alexander, yes, it did. So when the market makes a lower low, what is going to happen 9 times out of 10? Not 7 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10. Let's see if you learned anything. Oh, I forgot. Don't worry, no, there is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn. And by the way, Date, Clara and Alex and everybody who is on Skype folders, I'm going to send you a draft of my new book. I'm going to give you the draft of my new book. It's called One Trade Means Nothing. A retracement, says Date. A retracement must come. But I want to hear from Alexander and everybody else who is thinking, oh, I'm going to short the Fibonacci. Everybody see how this works? You know? This is all what Forex course, Forex and crypto course, it's all about. Your understanding of that when the market, you know, and give me a second, I'm going to give a different example. when the market breaks the relevant low, okay, just an example, you know, then the market tends to retrace. So if you sell the market, what is going to happen next? 9 times out of 10. And those movements, dear analysts, are predictable. Don't be shy, Alex, you're here to learn. If you sell the market right now, 9 times out of 10, when you sell, not me, when you sell, 9 times out of 10, the market is going to go into a retracement mode. God knows only to what, past resistance, or maybe consolidation still. Everybody, isn't this knowledge? Isn't this good knowledge? Isn't this good information, everybody? This understanding that you must understand and remember. And you have stop loss in here on the 1 hour chart, you have your stop loss in here on your 4 hour chart, and you have your stop loss in here on your daily chart. Those are unnecessary losers, because you know that after an extension, the market is going to retrace. Yes, fair enough, the bigger the stop, the safer you are. So the smaller time frames tend to suffer more stop loss levels hit compared to the bigger time frame, the daily, you know, because we don't know where the market is going to go to the 1 hour stop loss level and get back down. We don't know if the market is going to the 4 hour stop loss level on the short-term trend and get back down, or maybe the market is going to go to the daily short-term downtrend stop loss level and go down, or just maybe the market is going to continue in consolidation. Exactly. Everybody, can you think like this? Can you think like this? Is this that difficult, everybody? You don't need 20 years of experience to think like this. Makes sense? Is the following of the concepts that you have in the manual. Study the concepts from the manual. Alexander saying, yes, I agree, but I think the retracement happens later. Now, here is the big obstacle, everybody. Forex course 202, the institutional trader program conversation. When we say, everybody, that I think, am I trading what I'm seeing or am I speculating? If I think this market is going to go down, am I speculating or am I trading based on what I'm seeing? Type in the chat, everybody. Professional traders, we don't speculate. Nobody's perfect, we make mistakes like you, but we don't speculate. Does this make sense? So I know here is consolidation. I know that this is a consolidation band. The market just made a lower low, right? But if I'm stubborn and I'm still shorting the market, you know, that, oh, this market is going to go down. Am I speculating or am I trading from what I'm seeing? In the advanced institutional trader course, like Alexander just joined, congratulations Alexander. Alexander took advantage this year, congratulations. Sam took advantage. Dr. Sam, if you are here, say hello. You took advantage this year, you joined the advanced institutional trader course. You are going to learn that not every entry is the same in terms of probabilities. Not every setup is the same. Some entries are high risk, some entries are lower risk. Clara is saying speculating. Well, if we look at the weekly chart is still falling, fair enough. But we need to go and check. Now let's go on the daily, just an example. Okay, and what is the daily? So I'm going to get rid of the consolidation. You know, we've learned candles and candlestick formations. We've learned bullish and bearish pressure. You know, if this would be the end of the day and this candle closes like this, is this an indication of anything? Can you think like this in those terms? We are all the same, believe me. So you're looking at the chart and you say, okay, I don't know what is going to happen. Let's check the technical tools. Trend lines, market wave, relevant highs and lows, candlestick formations, pivot point, support, resistance, and nonetheless the Fibonacci, right? So if this candle closes bullish, Alexander, and if you sell, you are speculating. Do we agree on that, everybody? Make sense? 95% of you guys, the retail trader, you have great direction. It's not an issue for you anymore, but you have problems with timing, bad timing. Timing and risk, those are the biggest issues in the advanced institutional trader course for you, everybody. Bad timing. Bad timing means you're speculating. Does this make sense? If you buy, if you sell, just an example, you know, just an example wise, if this candle closes bullish on the daily chart and you short the market, if you win, the manager is going to be quiet. But if you short the bullish candle and if you lose, I'm going to call in the office, Alexander. I'm going to give you Valentine's, like we're going to drink a little bit and say, Alex, why did you do that? Why did you short a bullish candle on AUD/USD at the consolidation band? What are you going to tell me? Hedge fund trader Alexander, what are you going to tell me? Oh, I was thinking, you know, I was convinced that this market is going to go down. I was convinced that this market, you know, I was convinced that, like today, right? Everybody, if you enter short with this candle right now, you are entering prematurely. Does this make sense? Wait for the daily candle to close. Boss, what about the previous candle? Great question. In the advanced course, everybody, you must understand that. So what is a fact, right? See here how Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. See how the market stopped you out on the Fibonacci in here. The market made a higher high on the right. Now give me a second, everybody. So this is the Fibonacci. We don't have the original Fibonacci on the daily chart. Okay, we don't have the original Fibonacci on the daily chart. We do have the market wave, the yellow one. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here just for the purpose of education. Okay, everybody. Now, Is the previous candle bearish? Yes, it is. Point for the bears. Agreed? Okay, everybody, this is the mindset of the analyst. Now, are we at the consolidation band? What's the answer? Are we at the consolidation band? Yes, we are. All right. Who is stronger? The bearish candle is stronger, or is the consolidation band stronger? Exactly, you are biased. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong, but you should, if you would short up in here, this was a high probability trade. Why? Consolidation band. If you would short somewhere in the middle, you know, it would be still a high probability trade, you know, but a little bit less probability compared to the previous. If you short the market at the lower band, this is, at least in my world, this is considered high risk. Everybody, who is stronger? Student traders on YouTube, participate in the conversation. Who is stronger? Is the bearish candle or is the consolidation band stronger? Type in the chat, what do you think? Type in the chat. Alexander, hedge fund trader Alexander, who is stronger? Boss, I don't know. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. How many times the market offered you bearish candlestick formation or a bearish candle? How many times the market gave you? And remember, we are entering in December. The market tends to slow down. Consolidation. Very good. Excellent. We are learning. Congratulations to you. So, are you still willing to just short the market? You know, just sell AUD USD. Are you still willing? Alexander, are you still willing to just short the market? You're my analyst. I'm the trader. If you tell me short the market, I'm going to short the market. But if we lose, the head of trading is going to call us and sit down, guys. Why? And we know how the conversation goes, right? We know how the conversation goes with the we know how the conversation goes with the head of trading, right? Like this, guys. Why did you short the consolidation? Why did you short at the consolidation? And me and Alex. I'm safe. Alex told me to short consolidation. Not my fault. Alex, you told me to short consolidation. And then the manager comes along and says, guys, first warning. The next one, you're fired. In the advanced course, you are going to learn that you are in a business, everybody, and not Forex course 101, Forex and crypto course 101. It's alright, you know. You are learning, you know, and trying, you know. Forex course 202, the advanced institutional trader course, it's all about the business. Make sense, everybody? It's another level. You are in business. This is not a joke anymore. This is where the manager comes in and says, guys, first warning. Everybody, give me a second. Somebody's clapping in the office. Give me a second. It was the manager. It was the manager. Sorry about that, it was the manager. Date the consolidation, but boss, isn't the more recent price action more relevant? Great question. What do you think? What do you think, Date? See everybody how many misinformations are in your brain? Make sense, everybody? Hedge fund trader Date and hedge fund trader Alexander and everybody else online, should we just short consolidation? Everybody, if you believe that this, as Date is calling it, if you believe that this more recent price action, you know, if you believe that this is the most recent price action is more relevant than consolidation, then see everybody, do you understand what's the difference in here? You have two traders looking at the same chart. One, my trader, is going to say, oh, consolidation is stronger. Okay? Another trader is going to say, oh, but the most recent price action is stronger. They're looking at the same chart. This one is going to wait on the sidelines and monitor the market to see what is going to happen. This one is going to short the market. Does this make sense? Times hundreds of trades in 12 months, the results are going to be totally different on your Darwinex account. Yes, I have a discount account. Yeah, yes, send me an email, everybody. I have a discount code if you want to join Darwinex. Okay, it's called FX Boss. Now I'm not sure. Now you're asking me. Give me a second, everybody. I'm not sure. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm not sure if I can. So Darwinex 0. They're always changing some discount codes, everybody. Give me a second. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. I'm not even sure if it's working. Give me a second. So if I sign up, allow cookies monthly, I have a discount code. Let's say if it's FX Boss or it's FX Boss, apply. Oh, FX Boss. Okay, everybody. So yes, if you want to join Darwinex 0 with the monthly, you know, or 3 years, whatever, you know, with the 3-year option, you have the $100,000 allocated in forever allocation. Okay, FX Boss, 3-year plan, apply. Okay, so the discount code is FX Boss if you want to join Darwinex 0. Back to class and trading and the 3 Fibonacci's, everybody. Hedge fund trader Date, hedge fund trader Alexander, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Douglas, Sam. Should we just sell the market or should we wait? What should we do? There is no right or wrong, don't worry. There is no right or wrong. I'm not saying Date is wrong. What is your mindset down in here? Make sense? We are on the daily chart. If your stop loss it's on the 1-hour chart, somewhere up in here, or on the 15-minute chart or the 2-hour chart, so far, based on what you see, you are going to have a loser shorting the market. Make sense? Boss, how do you know? Because you can see consolidation. Make sense, everybody? Everybody, can you see in here? Didn't the market offer you bearish, bearish, bearish? Didn't the market offer you bearish candlestick formations in here? And the price action was down? Yes, it did. So if you shorted the market and you put the stop loss on the 15-minute chart in here, and you put the stop loss on the 1-hour chart in here, what happened? I'm going to tell you what happened. You've lost because you were selling the lower band of consolidation. The understanding of this, it's a skill. Nothing special, it's not personal. Then we came to the upper band and the lower band, right? Now, sure enough, this candle is not the best example, but in some point in time, you know, this candle should come down to here. You know, this was totally bearish. It closed bullish, but it was bearish in the making. So you would say, oh, it's going down and everything. And you would short the market and you would put the stop loss on the 15-minute chart in here. And you would put the stop loss on the 1-hour chart in here. What would happen? I'm going to tell you what would happen. You would lose for the second time. Now you've been stuck. The first one you didn't know. Now you have the knowledge, you know. You cannot excuse yourself anymore. You got the knowledge. The first time you didn't know, you didn't see. Boss, I didn't see consolidation. It's all good. Now the second time, you were stubborn. Make sense, everybody? Now the first time, you didn't see it. I'm not sure if Douglas is here. The first time, this is Forex Course 202 conversation, alright? Not Forex Course 101. The first time, you didn't see it. The second time, you were stubborn. The third time, Clara, you know how it goes, right? What's the word, everybody? The first time, we didn't see it, alright? The second time, we were stubborn, me too. We were stubborn, alright? Now the third time, we are... What are we, everybody? What's the word? Who is going to type in the chat? Dukascopy. Dukascopy traders too, type in the chat. You type in the chat, then I'm going to... I cannot say it first. If not, somebody from Dukascopy is going to kill me, you know, like, oh, what are you doing with the students, you know, with the clients? Anybody, the first time, you didn't know, right? The second time, we were stubborn. The third time, it starts with STU. We were stew. Douglas would know if he would be here. It goes with we were stew or the. And I'm not going to say I'm not going to be the first one. Now, everybody, can you understand this? What we're talking about? The first time you shorted it, all right, you didn't see it. It's all good. The second time you were stubborn, like, you know. Boss, how much in pips we tolerate and say it's still in consolidation? Answer. You've learned already, everybody. Date, you should have learned this. Everybody, Forex course, Forex and Crypto course 101. The confirmed end of consolidation, it's when you have two lows and two highs out of the consolidation bands. Date. Alright, everybody, let me tell you, I'm going to say it, okay? So the first time we didn't know, the second time we were stubborn, the third time we must be stupid, right? No, we are not stupid, I'm just joking, you know. This is called homeostasis, the innate drive to stay the same, right, Alexander? We are a donkey. Yeah, we were dumb, right? No, it's just joking. Nobody's stupid or dumb, everybody. This is our habitual way of thinking. Make sense? You believe that you are looking at the chart and you believe that you are trading the chart. As Dr. Van Tarp said, one of my mentors, you are not trading the chart, you are trading your perception of the chart. And if you are not objective as an analyst, and this is a learnable skill, if you didn't get skilled enough to be objective as an analyst, no money for you, ever. Doesn't matter what course you are going to do, doesn't matter what strategy you are going to have. Does this make sense, everybody? I have countless students in the... Not countless, it's not fair. So I have, what can we say, different groups. Okay, let's say that I have 30 active traders, all right? 30 active traders in a group of 100 students, in the advanced institutional trader course. In a group of 100, 30 are active traders, the ones who are trying to make it, and are actively participating in the courses and so on. Make sense, everybody? All of them have issues because they are not good analysts. Make sense, everybody? You come to the advanced course and you say, it's all about the business and the strategy, and you forgot that the foundation, it's you being a good analyst. That's the foundation. Does this make sense? Being a good analyst, and in the advanced course we are going to measure you. We can measure you as an analyst, how good or bad you are as an analyst. We can measure you. In the advanced course we're going to measure you. So if you're a bad analyst, everybody, can you make money? You're going to tell your trader, which is you, to buy something, and it's going to go down from Monday to Friday. When you're going to say to sell something, and it's going to go up from Monday to Friday, week after week after week. If you're a bad analyst, no money for you, everybody. That's why it's worth, when vacation starts, it's worth rewatching all the videos on Dukascopy Academy. Lesson number 1, what is the technical market structure? Lesson number 2, what are the relevant highs and lows? Lesson number 3, how to confirm a trend. You are going nowhere, no money for you, I'm telling you. That's the truth. You might not like it, but that's the truth. No money for you if you're a bad analyst. You can do it, it's a learnable skill, but you must do it, right? Alright, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to look for other trades with the Fibonacci's. Until tomorrow, build your charts like a boss. Okay, with the Fibonacci's. Now this is the boss signing off.